There are a couple ways to get the 360Penguin app. The first way is by using your phone's QR scanner. In the box your 360Penguin came in, you'll find a little fold-out booklet that has all the basics written in it. Unfold the booklet. Look for the page titled Downloading App. You'll see 3 QR codes. Find the one that corresponds to your phone operating system. On Android, open your camera and use Bixby Vision and find the QR scanner, which is standard on all new phones. Google Play Store is for Android phones. You'll be taken to the app page in the store. Tap the install button and the app will be on your phone in seconds. The second way to get the app is directly through the Google Play Store. On your phone, you'll find an icon labeled Google Play Store. Open it. In the search bar at the top, type in 360Penguin and tap the Enter key. You'll see Chillin' in a window for the 360Penguin app. Tap the Install button. Let it download and install. Tap Open. You're all set.